Hi, Bettendorf 4th and 5th graders. It's Mrs. Boblet again. It's time for some mystery rhythms. With our mystery rhythms today, here's what we're going to work on. We'll be able to recognize quarter notes, eighth note pairs, 16th notes, and half notes when we hear them. And we'll be able to write those rhythms that we hear accurately. Take a look. These are the notes that we're going to include in our mystery rhythms today. These should all be familiar to us. Let's go through, see what they are. Okay, what's this first one here? It is our quarter note. Okay, what about these notes right here? Those are our eighth note pair. Eighth note pair. Okay, down here, these are 16th notes. And then finally, this is our half note. Our quarter note, eighth note pair, and 16th note are all equal to one beat. Our half note, do you remember how many beats that gets? It is 2 beats. Now, I've got a question over here, and it might be different than how many beats all those notes get. We're going to have to think a little critically here. It says, how many sounds do these notes make in one beat? Not how many beats are they worth. How many sounds do they make in one beat? Okay, well, our quarter note's easy peasy. I love this one. It is just one sound in a beat. Ta. It is our beat. Perfect. Ta. One sound. Our eighth note pair, how many sounds is that in one beat? Well, since together they equal one beat, there's got to be 2 short sounds in a beat. T-T, T-T. 2 short sounds in a beat. All right, take a look at our 16th notes. How many sounds are going to fit into one beat there? Well, it's got to be 4. We see 4 note heads. We know that that note is worth a beat, so it's 4 short sounds that have to fit into a beat. Tika, 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 tika. This is a little tricky. Our half note, we said it's worth 2 beats. So if we perform that, are we going to have a sound in each beat? Let's try it. Ta, ta. It's a sound that lasts 2 beats. Okay, so it's one sound that lasts for 2 beats. All right, I think we've got that. Now we need to know, what is notation? Because as we figure out our mystery rhythms, we're going to notate them. Notate. When you notate something, you write it down. You write it down. So we're going to write down our mystery rhythms today. You get to notate them. All right. So since you're going to be doing some notation today, there's going to be some things you need. Let me go through what you need, and then I want you to pause this video and go grab those things so you can do this with me. First thing, you need a pencil or some sort of writing utensil. A pencil is best because you might change your mind as you're listening. An eraser. If your pencil has an eraser on it, that's awesome. If it doesn't, make sure you've got a separate eraser. And you need a piece of paper. Just one is fine. Okay, so pencil, eraser, paper. Go ahead and pause this and go grab those things, please. All right, 5th grade, now that you have your materials, you need to set up your paper so you can notate your mystery rhythms. Take a look at what my paper has. I drew a line from top to bottom, a vertical line to split my paper in half, and then I drew a horizontal line to split it into 4 equal parts. Your lines don't have to be perfect, but just make sure you draw a line down the middle going both ways to make 4 parts of your paper. Go ahead and give each one of those parts a number. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, once you've got your 4 equal parts of your paper and you've numbered them, in each square, you need to draw a line where you're going to write your rhythm and write in your time signature. All of our mystery rhythms are going to be in 4/4 time signature today. Do that for each box. As you're working on that, as you're setting up your paper, I'm going to go ahead and go through our rules for mystery rhythm. All right, for each mystery rhythm, you're going to listen as I play. I'm going to go ahead and play it on a woodblock. Okay, it sounds like this. As I play, you should be thinking about how many sounds you hear in each beat. If you only hear me play one sound in a beat, that has to be ta. It has to be your quarter note. If you hear me play 2 sounds, what does that have to be? Your 1/8 notes. If I play 4 short sounds that fit in a beat, it's got to be your 16th notes. Now, if I play 1 sound that lasts for 2 beats, that's got to be your 1/2 note. Quarter note, 1/8 note, 16th notes, and 1/2 note. After you listen once or twice to the mystery rhythm, write down the notes that you hear on the line. Your mystery rhythm should be exactly equal to 4 beats. Exactly equal to 4 beats. All right, I'm going to switch over to my document camera so you can see my paper. I've set up my paper just like yours should be set up. I've got 4 equal spaces on my paper. I've got them numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in each box, I've got a line with my time signature. Now I went ahead and added in the types of notes that we're going to be using just as a reference for you. You don't have to write those in on your paper, but you can if you want to help yourself out. I'll play each mystery rhythm a couple of times because I know that we can't always get it after hearing it just once. Okay, we'll need to hear it a couple of times so you can make sure you get each beat, and then one time at the end to double check your work. Okay, in box number 1, I'm going to go ahead and play mystery rhythm number 1. I'm going to count to 4 first so you can hear the beat, and then I'll play it. Okay, mystery rhythm number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, take a moment to write down what you thought you heard on that first line. Here's mystery rhythm number 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be thinking about how many sounds you're hearing in each beat. Okay, here's the last time. Double check your work, and then I'll reveal the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 4th and 5th graders, here's what you should have. Mystery rhythm number 1 was ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. If you didn't have that, it's okay. That was your first time writing a mystery rhythm, having to figure that out, so no big deal. Now you know what that sounds like. Listen again as I play it. All right, good job working on mystery rhythm number 1. Now it's time for the second one, mystery rhythm number 2. This one will be a little trickier. Listen carefully. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's something interesting at the end there. Here it is again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll give you a moment to write down what you've heard. All right, 4th and 5th grade, last time on mystery rhythm number 2. Double check your work. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, you should have T, T, ta, ta. I hope you were able to hear that half note at the end. Okay, you saw me go. Almost with my head, I was showing that beat, that second beat. All right. Good work on Mystery Rhythms 1 and 2. Now it's time for Mystery Rhythm number 3. These are going to get a little harder each time. So we got to step up your game here. Mystery Rhythm number 3. Pencils ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sounded like a lot of notes. Listen again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go ahead and take some time to write down what you heard. All right, I'm going to slow that one down a little bit. Pay attention to each beat. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, last time. Double check your work. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, music students, you should have written down 16th notes. Those are terrible 16th notes. Yikes. Tika, tika, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Tika, tika, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Were you able to hear those 4 short sounds in a beat? All right, we're running low on time here. It's time for Mystery Rhythm number 4. This is the toughest. Good luck. Pencils ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, write down what you heard. Last time, check your work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you notice something at the very beginning? I heard one sound that lasted for 2 beats. That was our half note. Ta. Then a ta quarter note, and it ended with those 4 short sounds that fit into a beat, our 16th notes. So our rhythm was ta, ta, tika, tika. All right, 4th and 5th grade, thank you so much for working so hard on your notating today. Excellent job figuring out your mystery rhythms. I'll see you soon.